Hi, I'm Eric from the EasyCruit team. The collaborative rating feature in EasyCruit lets users with access to the vacancy rate and comment on candidates. We can set up a vacancy for collaborative rating during the vacancy creation steps or by accessing the Edit Vacancy page. To do this, we'll click on New Vacancy. And whilst filling in the other fields on the first page, we'll make sure we select Use Collaborative Rating for this project. After completing the vacancy creation steps, we can click on the Edit pencil on the Edit Vacancy page. Now we can choose the required reviewers, who will automatically receive an email whenever a new candidate applies for this vacancy. We can select the Include Candidate's Personal Details and Attachments option to send the applicant's details to the users who are taking part in the rating. If this is not selected, then the reviewer will not see the candidate's name, email, or have access to their CV. However, their gender, date of birth, nationality, country, region, and marital status will be included, as well as answers to all other questions on the application form. Then we'll click Save. Here is an example of an email received by a reviewer. The email contains all the candidate's application information. We'll receive a separate email for each candidate. Once we've reviewed the application, we'll click on the hyperlink. On this page, we can rank the candidate from 1 to 7, and also leave comments if necessary before clicking Send. Then we'll be shown this confirmation page. If we go back to the candidate's application, we can see that the average rating stars are now visible, as well as the Collaborative Rating tab. This tab shows us a list of all the ratings and comments that have been submitted for the application, including their dates. All other users who have access to the vacancy and may not have been sent an email can also review and rate the application on the Application and CV page, as well as leave comments. To view only the candidates that have an average rating, we can go back to the Recruiting Overview and then click on Collaborative Rating from the ranking section of the page. Here we can click on the top of the panel review column to sort candidates into order of rating. We can also let people who do not have access to EasyCruit take part in the ranking. And to do this, we need to use the panel review feature. You can find out more information on how to use this in a separate tutorial, which you can open by clicking on the link on the screen now.